Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Parker Ranch Vlogs. Today we have a special guest who might be on the channel in the future after this video. This is me. You have to speak up, they can't hear you. Okay guys, I have some special baits that have been marinating, and we are doing a spicy versus sweet fishing challenge, and they are hot dogs that have a mixture of ingredients. These are the sweet ones. The spicy have a little bit more of a red tint to them. And we're going to spin a wheel to see what we can get. What do you think about this, Austin?
It's pretty cool. I approve. That's pretty cool. I mean, it smells terrible. I mean, it makes you want to throw up. But I mean, it's a pretty cool idea. Because, yeah, it's pretty spicy though. It smells like you were to take gasoline and put it over an old grandma or something. I don't know.
Okay, guys, we're about to rock, paper, scissors. Let's just spin the wheel for sweet or spicy. Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay.
Alright. Spin. It's spicy. I don't know if that's gonna. I don't feel like spicy's gonna do too well.
I mean, I get the sweet hot dogs.
I get
like me. I am so sweet.
No,
I'm pretty sure that's
he's more of a spicy hot dog. He's
what?
He closes the doors. He slams old ladies' doors in front of them. He just like he does. He never opens the door. Don't let him fool you.
I'm sure. Oh. Your bobbers are running. Okay, I just have a little 3/4 ounce weight with a little treble hook, and I am going to put this sweet hot dog on here. This thing has been marinating for hours.
First cast going out.
I wouldn't be surprised if we got something like 2 seconds. Probably not, but hey, I guess it's good to hope. Got that on. Time to cast her out. Okay. Hey Austin, it's time for give this little hot dog a dab with your finger. It's one of the sweet hot dogs. You should be fine. Okay, like just wipe your finger on there. That sweet stuff.
It's not bad actually. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I can taste the hot dog. I really just taste the hot dog.
It's a raw hot dog, Austin.
The hot dog overpowers the sweet, but it's like a.
That was probably a weed if you have a hot dog on.
Hot dog.
I got a big one.
He caught a monster, dude. Look at this thing. That's gonna at least weigh 90 pounds.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Man, I'm catching like the world record catfish over here.
Might need to call up the lake keeper. Oh, you hooked him pretty weird.
Yeah. He like ate
Oh,
my
It's his little whisker. That's what it is. He
like, what did he do?
I don't know.
Are you ready?
I've ripped a couple lips in my lifetime. Shaka. What else is there? So you have this here hook stuck in a bass. You get this around your hook, and you just yank the sucker out, and then you're ripping lips, baby. So, I rip lips. Shaka. Is there people? No, nothing. Nothing? I think you got something, dude.
Actually, I might have something. Oh, yeah,
Yeah, he's still got something on there, folks. Come on, break. Yeah, I know. It's like stopping and going, so it's got a. Is it another tiny one?
I think it's a bass.
Is that? How in the actual? No,
No, that's the same one.
I don't think it's the same one. Oh, that's a little bigger, actually. That's a little bigger though. That's got a bit of a gut on it.
Yeah.
Honestly, that one, I don't think we can keep that one, but
2-0. Yeah, this is too small to keep.
yeah, that's still a nice little ones. Look at it. Nice hook placement.
Oh yeah.
That's
I
fine.
can probably take it out right here. Actually, maybe
Yeah,
not.
dude, I'm telling you, I saw that rod bend. It went all the way down.
Oh yeah, little croaker.
Little croaker. Ribbit, ribbit.
I
That's,
have figured out over the years of living in to grab them.
yes.
You just don't let them spank you.
Alright. Let's see. Has he got anything again? Yay, nay. Nope. Wah, 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 wah. Hate fishing.
You got caught.
Only dang thing I catch is these dang weeds. All my tackle's gonna be missing. It's flying in like nothing's on it. Nothing's wrong, except that my bait's missing.
Okay, look. There's been a carp over here, guys. We are going to go and look at it.
We got a carp, a wild carp. It's like fishing.
Why don't you just grab it? Are you torturing the carp, man? I might get demonetized. You spit on it too?
Yeah, no, it's I can't snip. See what? She's getting closer.
I'm pretty sure it's the waves.
That's me. She's getting there. Man, let me always get there. Here, look at something. There you go.
I love cold socks.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
I love wet socks.
We're going.
What are you trying to do? I usually just draw.
We'll give him a good old chunk.
He's probably dead for sure now.
He swam off.
He's gone.
Yeah.
You saved a life. How do you feel?
I am a medic, a savior of the people. I am a master. He's floating. Uh-oh. Oh, you're not supposed to catch that.
He's got one.
Thank you. Oh, are you serious?
You lost it again?
Ain't no way. Ah!
Please tell me all your regrets in life. I can list one of them.
Going
for you.
fishing with you. Blasphemy. Blasphemy, I tell you. Oh my gosh, you got another one. I forgot you're left-handed, dude. I was freaking rolling.
Oh, I think it came.
No way, dude.
Actually, it might be a thing. Yeah, it's not.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, dude, no.
You can if you want. Well, we're doing good now. I honestly actually might have to rip his lips out.
Yeah, he
Actually, no, I should be fine.
almost 3-hooked him.
I did 3 hook him.
Oh, actually?
Yeah.
All right. Well, bye-bye, Mr. Fishy. Bye-bye. I swear, if you get a little baby, I'm going to actually crash out because that'd be your 5th fish.
I don't think.
Woohoo! No, nothing.
The cast of Austins. That will catch him a fish. What do you have to say about that cast?
Perfect, and I'm gonna catch one. Shock them. Lipping rips. Ripping lips all day.
Lip it never rips.
This is me without my glasses, guys. Ladies, calm down.
I didn't catch it on video, but Austin had a fish.
Time. It was up here.
Austin, what do you have to say about that? Are you happy with this fishing trip?
No. Not at all.
Really?
All right, we think he has something. Oh, he's for sure got something. All right, honey, get close to the water. I'll grab it. Oh, it's going that way. Oh my gosh! Another? Is that a carp? Another one! Oh my gosh!
Let me get him.
That's 6. Wait, no, was that? No, it's 5. It's got a big belly. How big is that one?
Very big.
You want to keep him or no?
Well, we're gonna have to measure him.
How do you catch him this good? What's your secret?
That's a secret.
Your Kingston Parker. That's your secret.
Hey, they see these luxurious locks.
He's
like, hey,
He's like the Peter Parker of fishing. He's like Spider-Man, but Fishman.
hey, my last name is Parker.
That's what I'm saying. Here's your tape measure, sir, and I'll hold him still if you want me to. Lay him down on trip bed. How big is he? 13?
Like a 12.
Like a 12. Okay, it's a foot. All right, well, he gets to live another day.
Say goodbye.
We'll call this one Moby Dick because he's a whale. All right, we think he caught a big old one. Ossus. It's a tiny little puner. Yeah, it's a decent size. We'll call him Nemo because he's this little skimpy dude. All right, bye-bye.
He might have caught something. Finally.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we got one.
Finally.
1 to 6. Oh my goodness.
He's a chompler.
That's still Nick. He tubby. Finally got one. Yeah.
I guess we know the spot to go. I don't have don't really have good hand-eye coordination.
Here, let me hold him for you.
Thank you, sir.
Just don't clip me with the pliers, please. No, no, no. No. It's not that stick. Here.
No, this is exactly what it's used for. Show them.
Don't rip his lips.
No, I'm not gonna rip his lips. I just call it the lip ripper. Yeah.
There we go. You got him right in the tongue.
Alright, well, there goes goodbye to
Baby.
what's his given name now?
Harold. Bye-bye, Harold. Live a happy life with Gerald.
He just hooked onto something. Who knows, it could be another 13, 14. I don't know. What's your opinion on this one? How's it feel?
Probably.
A little dink?
It feels nicer than the others. Though.
Little dinker stinker?
Actually fighting.
Oh! I seen some size. Pull him in, pull him in. He's a big old son of a gun. Don't curse on this channel. Pull him in. Oh my gosh. He's a biggin.
That might actually be
Let's pull him up.
Like
Let's see how big he is.
There's like a weird growth
On his chin?
on his chin.
Oh yeah, dude, he does. He's got like a big old. It's like got like an actual chin.
Just a little over 14.
So, nah.
I don't think we should keep it.
Too close to keep. Cool. Alright, well.
I guess Sweet is working. And
Hot is not. I've caught one. Another one!
There's nothing on here.
Are you sure?
Caught up.
Dang it. Yeah, we're gonna need some like GoPros that we can strap to our chest.
Yeah.
Hey, donate to Kingston. Me and Kingston are both dying, and yeah, we're totally dying. We need money.
No.
Oh. Alright. I swear, every time I'm about to cast out, something happens.
It's my plan. You could have already had so many fish by now.
Yeah.
Imagine Spicy was actually the real juice.
Imagine, I think you have a button that you're clicking and it makes your pole go down. Like, you just know. Alright, let's watch this majestic man cast. He's gonna cast like a majestic lion. He's got the mane like a lion, so. Oh, it made like a whistle noise. That's pretty far out there, too.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about that cast?
I have to say, compare my cast to Austin's, they're just not the same.
False accusations. He's rigging this. I'm supposed to win. He's not. Shock him.
Does that make any sense?
I have no clue. Alright, well, we're checking his other pole. After I throw this catfish back into the water. This catfish is suicidal. Anything?
Sure.
Alright, well, still got bait. Looks like it was a little messed with, maybe. It's pretty cool bait.
Yep, amazing bait.
What do you have to say about that?
I have to say that I'm sad that I didn't have anything. A bit disappointing. I expected more from these fish.
Well,
I chummed the water so much beforehand, right where I'm casting.
he's already got these. He's got people hooking up fish down there. I know it.
I have like little scuba divers.
Yeah, you've got scuba
They
divers.
just grab my hook and
Yeah, they grab it and they're putting like pre-planned fish on there.
on my bait.
Yeah, I just seen it hit the ground right there. Is that a professional's reel into? He's gonna show you the professional way to rod and reel. Yeah, that's how you. That's how you get the fish ultra hooked. You gotta make sure it's hooked on there. Yeah, that's how professionals.
This is how professionals also set the hook. Especially around people that they don't like.
Oh, he's gonna try to hook me. If I disappear, you know what happened. Kingston probably killed me. Alright, keep that hook away from me, son. Alright, step back. I don't want to have to use lethal force on you of my kung fu skills. Yeah, I don't.
It's been lying to you. My like's pretty tight.
You should probably check that out. Might be a fish. No, he's just taking his time. I really thought you just stuck that in your thumb. I don't know why. It looked like you just stuck that in your thumb.
Nothing new.
Oh, let me move out of this man's way.
You have to give her the rock.
Pretty good cast.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, he's got something. A little dink or no? looks like it. Oh, there's some pretty good rod bandage on there. Let's see it. Oh. Got one fighting him.
Oh, it's a decent one.
This is decent. Yes, sir, it is. Let's see him.
Decently small.
We're catching the crap out of them left and right. Left, right, and center. I'm not the best at this with one hand. Kingston's the true one who rips lips like a king.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Kool-Aid man.
He's talking to you.
Oh yeah. Kingston's lying. We get too distracted. Oh? Ah, yeah, that's the branch of death right there, dude. It got me. That's how a true fisherman gets his line caught. Alright. Well, fishing kind of dried up, we think. Maybe. You think the fishing's dried up over here?
We could have like scared them all.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just switched spots.
That's a huge gar. Get this on video.
I have it on video.
This is a massive gar. Holy crap. You gotta get a picture of it too. Oh, it just popped my line too.
Oh yeah.
Crap.
Snapped it.
Popped it. I'm glad I got
You're
that.
gonna get the hook out of his mouth, or you're just gonna leave him up on the bank?
I don't know, dude.
A lot of people just leave him on the bank and let him die.
But no. It's a nice fish though. I'm not trying to pry that out of his mouth. It's an amazing fish though. It's a huge one too. I want to grab him.
Just grab his body, don't let him bite you.
That's one.
What do you have to say about this, Austin?
I'm good at catching these. I may not be good at catching catfish. Kingston hasn't caught one of these yet. This is a huge one too. Shock 'em. I'm the lip ripper. I caught him. Kingston didn't. This is a big sucker too. I think we're gonna throw him back now. He's got some sharp scales though. All right, 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Slime.
Okay guys, we're finishing up today's video. I feel like we did pretty decent today.
I caught one catfish and a big gar, so he didn't catch a gar. I did. I got it on my hands. I'm cooler than him, so shock him. Ripping lips.
Okay.
Peace. I don't know.
Well, thanks for watching today's video, and if y'all made it this far, leave big gar in the comments section.
And ladies, if you want my number, don't be afraid to ask, because, and if you want his number, we're both open.
No, you're not getting, y'all aren't getting my number, no.
Y'all are
no.
getting my number. Oh, I caught a hot dog. Hot dog, hot diggity dog.
Okay.
No, it disconnected me because I wasn't moving. Ooh.